Today I'd like to show you bucket brackets 2. Now I've already introduced bucket brackets, the original one, which is meant for heavier duty mixing. This is a little lighter weight material, so you don't need the extra knob to keep the bucket in place. These work very simply. They have one adjustment for the height. As you can see, the brackets are in place that quick. When you're ready to mix, you simply stand on them. So we're going to go ahead and mix and show you that the bucket brackets 2 work, again, for lighter weight mixing. So when you're doing underlayment, light mortars, drywall cement, coatings, urethanes, epoxies, this is the bracket that'll work the best for you. So let me show you. As you can see, during the mixing process, the bucket brackets 2 kept the pail from moving, from spinning, made it safer, made it more efficient. One person was able to keep the pail in place. Labor savings and safety for your workers, that's what you want. The brackets are available at some of the leading supply houses in the country, or simply go to b3innovationsllc.com. They're available there, or it'll lead you to your local supplier. Thank you.